So the last type of hormone we're going to talk about are the amino acid hormones. Amino acid hormones. So these are hormones that are synthesized or made. So synthesized from one of two amino acids. And those are tryptophan and tyrosine. So the first type are the ones that come from tryptophan. And again, tryptophan is a type of amino acid. Tryptophan creates or is the basis for melatonin. It also creates serotonin. So melatonin is a hormone. So it's the hormone that makes you sleep. And serotonin is a neurotransmitter. All right, so those are the two things that come from tryptophan. Let's go to green. Okay, so tyrosine makes two types of hormones. So it makes catecholamines and thyroid hormones. So what are catecholamines? Well, we've seen catecholamines before. We're talking about norepinephrine, and epinephrine, and it also includes dopamine. All right, so norepinephrine and epinephrine are neurohormones. Neurohormones. So they can be neurotransmitters or they can be hormones. We know that the sympathetic nervous system, its nerves secrete norepinephrine and epinephrine as neurotransmitters that go to specific organs, and it can also cause the adrenal medulla to secrete epinephrine and norepinephrine into the bloodstream and act as hormones. The mechanism of epinephrine and norepinephrine is like a peptide hormone. So it's going to act kind of fast. It's going to have an effect that's is amplified, right? And it has to be that way because it provides the sympathetic response. And when we're running from the bear and reacting to our stressful situation, it needs to be quick. Okay, so tyrosine is what makes catecholamines. Catecholamines are the hormones that come from the adrenal medulla, norepinephrine and epinephrine, and they work like the peptide hormone, the same mechanism, second messenger system. Thyroid hormones, so we're talking about T3 and T4, so that's thyroxine, which is T4, and iodothyronine, which is T3. Now, yes, thyroid hormones come from tyrosine, which is an amino acid, but they act like steroid hormones. So their mechanism of effect is like a steroid hormone. They are going to enter a cell and increase protein synthesis in that cell. So those are the three types of hormones. Again, we've got steroid hormones, peptide hormones, and these amino acid hormones.